Click the bell icon to never miss any update.
Mental health at work means being able to work stress-free.
Mental health takes a very big toll on us when we actually have a bad day and it just doesn't stop.
My mental place where I feel comfortable in terms of making sure that I am able to express my emotions in a right way.
Anybody who says who's not dealt with any kind of a mental health issue is probably lying.
I'll be very honest, who has a lot of anxiety, number one, and I also have a sort of an imposter syndrome where I feel that I'm not good enough.
I had a duration in my career life where I was not having any job at hand, and that was a time where I went into a feeling of depression.
These are strange times. Are we working from home or living at work? So एक बहुत this is our defining point for me कि I am working from home as a इस पर मेरे को पूरे दिन काम नहीं करना है. At 6:30 my clock goes off. I turn off the laptop.
So during the pandemic, I think one thing that I initially started doing is waking up and directly flipping up my laptop and then starting to work, and that's something that did not help me because it really screwed up my daily routine.
It's easier said than done, but learning to switch off is very important.
The simplest thing which I've done during the pandemic especially is to maintain a routine.
The only way you can overcome it, you can fight it better, is when you start sharing about it. As soon as you start sharing about it, the first step you're taking is towards accepting that you have an issue.
Just ask and you might get a solution.
So what you can do is you can take deep breaths and concentrate on your breathing.
Very supportive seniors. They have always been there during any issue, be it professionally or personally.
You get an atmosphere wherein you are helping others to grow and they are helping you to build yourself. It's something that constantly keeps you motivated.
Anything which is given on my plate for work helps me to enhance my skills, helps me internally to build myself. Also, within this very difficult time of pandemic, having a job, making sure that you are getting the rightful payment, making sure that you are helping the organization to grow, all of this really is a part which I will say I am grateful for.